All right, guys, so I want to talk to you about different options for dividing up your sketchbook paper. First and foremost, you want to fill up as much of this as you can. Try to keep everything nice and clean, too. Now, you can use a ruler. You're welcome to use a ruler for this. You can mix and match shapes. I had a smaller ruler here, but I can't find it. You can do circles, triangles, squares, rectangles. It really doesn't matter as long as you use most of your, if not all, of your sketchbook area. So what I've done, I decided I want it, not, again, sorry, 4 different sections. So I'm going to use this I'm going to use this masking tape roll to draw a circle, to help me draw a circle, and I'm actually going to use the outside. So all right. I would say try not to press too heavy right now. This document camera is actually in my way. Okay, here we go. All right, so that's the first shape, and I made a little mistake here, so I'm just going to erase that. Okay. Now, I want to divide it up again equally throughout. At least that's what I want to do. So I've actually prepared these. You don't have to cut these. This is just mat board or some kind of stiff board. If you have cardboard at home, that would work. Or any kind of stiff piece of paper. Or again, just a ruler would be fine as well. I kind of thought about this prior to the video. I decided I want this right here. All right, so I've got my second shape, which is a rectangle. And this third shape that I cut out, I'm going to use these last two here. I've got a square and this. I'm just going to kind of play around with it. Maybe I'll angle it a little bit, or maybe I'll put that there and move this one. Ha! Perfect. That's exactly what I want. In fact, I'm going to jazz it up a little bit more. Anything at home you can find to help you draw these shapes. Once again, a ruler would be just fine. I don't think I would try it freehand unless you can make a perfectly straight line. And I would say avoid drawing just like a blob, a blob like this, just, 1, 2, 3, 4, don't do it like that. You want to use straight edges or circles. Half circle would be fine as well. And inside of these, you're going to do your 4 different angles of your contour line drawing, filling up the entire area, not just doing a tiny little drawing right here. And oh, look at my tiny little drawing. Isn't that nice? No, that's not nice. Okay, now that's just one option. Another option would be to maybe you just want 4 squares. If that's the case, if you're just doing squares, I'm not sure if I'm going to do this fast and sloppy for the sake of saving time. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'd probably want to make your squares larger because you're not taking up enough room. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, you've got this empty space, and if I move these over here, I would have a big empty space in the middle. So you would want to do your shape a little bit larger. Or you could just do 4 of these. It really doesn't matter. Or you could just go like this. You could go like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's entirely up to you how you want to do it. I chose this because it's just a little bit more fun to me. But that part's not going to affect your grade as long as you don't do something like this or leave a bunch of empty space. So thank you. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Oh, this document camera is kind of cool.